cruisers, welcome back to Gearathon, 26 days of gear reveals and reviews. We're happy to have you here today. Today we're going to talk about staying healthy on a cruise. One of the most popular items in our Amazon store, which we will link to in the description below, are these wipes right here that kill norovirus. Enough said. So, the thing that makes these unique is that they have an active ingredient to kill norovirus, while many other things do not out there on the market. So after lots of research and collaboration with our cruise community, we found these. Now, they come in a giant tub. There are 95 wipes in here. You do not need that many wipes to wipe down the surfaces of your cruise stateroom. So what we normally do is take out a handful of these and put them in a Ziploc bag. Before I go any further, everyone, I want to talk to you a little bit about a huge disclaimer here. There is no substitute for washing your hands with hot or very warm water and soap when you're on a cruise. So please remember that washing your hands is the absolute most important thing that you can do frequently on a cruise. All of these other precautions that we're going to talk about today are moot if you are not doing that number one hygiene thing that you need to do on a cruise. So let's get back to these wipes. So these are Clorox brand. They are reasonable enough to purchase for any cruise, but you could share them with your cruise party and divide them up into little bags. Very big important thing that you need to know about this is that if you want to kill the norovirus in your stateroom when you're wiping down surfaces, you have to keep the surface wet for 3 minutes. So the active ingredient in these wipes does not work unless the surface remains wet for 3 minutes. So what you might want to do if you're concerned about norovirus or just cleaning your stateroom or even your hotel room for that matter, is pack a supply of these, get into your stateroom and take several wipes with gloves on. You guys definitely don't want to damage your hands. Please wear gloves and wipe down the surfaces and kind of keep an eye on it and make sure that it stays wet for up to 3 minutes. If it doesn't, you might want to wipe everything down again. Now, some people think this might be overkill. Personally, it's something that we like to do, but we certainly don't wipe down every single surface in our stateroom. We might wipe down the door handles coming in and out of the stateroom, the bathroom door, the toilet handle, the remote control, and a few main surfaces that we would touch a lot in a room, maybe the balcony door, things like that, but certainly not your entire room. That would be overkill. Now, since you cannot use these on your hands, and these really shouldn't even be touching your hands, please make sure that you keep them away from children and do not use them to wipe your hands or any other part of your body. Now, to do that, what we like to do in between hand washings is we like to use Santa hands. This is something that I've been using for a very long time. These can also be found in our Amazon store, linked below. And these are an alcohol-based wipe. I don't think that they kill norovirus, but they certainly give me peace of mind when I can't get to a sink. And let's face it, on a cruise, there are times when you cannot get to a sink. An example might be in the buffet. You've touched all of those, the utensils that scoop all the food, and there are no sinks nearby. Of course, some buffets still have sinks, but you wash your hands on the way in before you touch the utensils. I like to wipe down my hands with these. They do not have that gooey sort of hand sanitizer gel thing to them. It's just nice alcohol on a good solid wipe. It doesn't irritate my skin. It doesn't irritate my child's skin. So these two products are things that we take on every cruise. But again, I'm going to say it one more time, wash your hands with soap and water. This, by the way, it's just something I picked up at TJ Maxx, but I think you can probably get it at any discount store for like $5. So this is a really nice brand of soap. We also do take hand soap with us on most cruises because I like a liquid pump instead of those little bars. I just think it's cleaner. If I was going on a 2-night cruise, I probably wouldn't pack my own soap. But I hope this has been helpful for all of you. Please leave your stateroom and personal hygiene on a cruise tips in the comments below, and we will see you back here tomorrow for Gearathon. Until next time, get in gear and get cruising. Bye-bye.